You are probably working on a sensitive project and you need to make sure that only the right person can see your work. When you send a PDF to a client or a colleague, you want to feel safe about your data. Luckily, Canva has a built-in feature that lets you lock your files with a secret code. This is very helpful when you share things like invoices, private contracts, or early design drafts that are not ready for the public yet. Start by opening the design you want to protect. You should look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Share button. From there, you need to find the download option. This is where the most people get stuck because they just click the big button without looking at the details. You should change the file type first. While you can pick either PDF standard or PDF print for this, the password protection works only with the PDF standard option. This format, PDF standard, is better if you want a smaller file size that is easy to email. Once you selected your PDF format, you will see a list of checkboxes. Look for the one that says Password Protection. You need to click that box to turn the feature on. A new box will appear where you can type in your password. This is a very important moment. You should pick a word or a code that is hard to guess. You can use a mix of big letters, small letters, and numbers. Canva will even tell you if your password is strong enough with a little green message. You must remember that Canva does not save the password for you. If you forget the code, you cannot ask them to recover it. You should have to go back into your design and export the whole file again with a new password. It is a good idea to write the password down in a safe place before you click that final download button. When you are ready, hit the purple download button at the bottom. Now your file is ready to send. When the person on the other side tries to open it, their computer will ask them for the code. This only protects the file you just downloaded. It does not lock the actual design inside your Canva account. You can still edit your work in the browser like you always do. This simple step gives you much more control over your professional work. You can now share your creative project with a total confidence.